Unit 4, Lesson 4, File Commands, Part 2. The More command. The More command lets you view files in a scrollable manner. A scroll bar will appear so you can move up and down your file. The syntax is More, Option, File Name. Let's execute the More command to open the Types of Dogs file. As you can see, there's a scroll bar to navigate this file. You can also use the arrow keys to move up and down the file. The Head command. The Head command shows the first 10 lines of a file. The syntax is Head, Option, File Name. Let's execute the Head command on the Types of Dogs file. You can see the first 10 lines of the file. The Tail command. The Tail command shows the last 10 lines of a file. The syntax is Tail, Option, File Name. Let's execute the Tail command on the Types of Dogs file. You can now see the last 10 lines of the file. The WC command. WC means word count. This command presents the number of lines, words, and bytes within a file. The syntax is WC, Option, File Name. Let's use the word count command on the Types of Dogs file. This output shows that the file consists of 117 lines, 221 words, and 2,203 bytes. The GPG command. The GPG command encrypts or locks sensitive files. Sensitive files are any information that you don't want everyone to access or need extra security. However, this command can be a little tricky. Use the GPG Option C command to encrypt a file with a password. To decrypt the file, use GPG, filename.gpg. The encrypt file syntax is GPG Option C, file name. The decrypt file syntax is GPG, filename.gpg. We're going to encrypt the pets file. The encrypt command is GPG Option C, then the file name pets. Next, we're going to create a password for this file. The password is pets. Now, we're removing the original pets file for the sake of this exercise. When we list the directory, we can see the new encrypted file. It's pets.gpg. We'll decrypt this file with the command gpg pets.gpg. When we use the list command, we can now see the original pets file that was extracted out from the GPG file. The zip command. The zip command compresses and contains your file to take up less disk space and be easier to move from one computer to another. The syntax to zip files is zip, file.zip, file name. The syntax to unzip files is unzip, file.zip. We're going to zip the puppies file. The command is zip, the new name of the zip file, which is puppies.zip, then the name of the file you want to put inside of the zipped file. In this case, it's the puppies file. Now, we can see the puppies.zip file within the directory. We're going to remove the original puppies file for the sake of this exercise. As you can see, there's no more puppies file. Now, we're going to unzip the zipped file. The command is unzip, then puppies.zip. Now we can see the original puppies file that was extracted out of the zipped file. The cd command. Cd means change directory. This command lets you navigate into different directories or folders within Linux. There are different ways you can use the cd command. Use cd directory to enter a specific directory. Use cd ... to move up one level in the directory tree. As you can see, we're currently within the home directory of the user, Ozboxes. Let's use the cd command to move into the cats directory. The command is cd in the name of the directory cats. This header that says cats shows that we're in the cats directory. To double-check if this is true, we can use the pwd command. This output confirms that we're in the cats directory. Remember that the cats directory is within the homes directory. We can use the cd -- command to move up the file system and return to the home directory. We're now back in the home directory. The ln-s command. The ln-s command creates soft links between files. In other words, it transforms files into points for another file or directory, similar to a hyperlink. The syntax is ln-s file name symbolic link. We're going to create a symbolic link with the birds file. To do this, we must write ln-s, then the name of the file that we want to create this symbolic link with. We'll use the file birds. Then we'll write the name of the symbolic link, which is birds 101. When we list the directory, we can see the new symbolic link in bright blue colors here. When we list the symbolic link, we can see that birds 101 points to the birds file.